Hi, today I'm going to show you how Starburst works with Azure Active Directory single sign-on. As you can see here on my page, I've got a button there that says sign in with SSO. I'm going to click on that button and it's going to immediately take me right into Starburst Enterprise. This is because I'd already authenticated once before and the authentication was remembered. So let's go into the query editor, we'll look at SQL Server, burst-based schema. Notice that I can see all my data catalogs, all my schemas, and the tables that I am authenticated to be able to see. So let's go over to my AWS workspace. We're going to fire up Power BI. This is a fairly underpowered Amazon workspace, so things go a little bit slow. But with that, the first thing we do when we go into Power BI is click through all the pop-ups that they have. We'll get rid of those. Once it's ready, we go to Get Data, click on More. In the search bar, which will pop up here in a second, we type star, and then double click on Starburst Enterprise, saying that we're going to connect to a Starburst Enterprise system. Now this time I need to give it the name and the port number for the host that we're going to be connecting to. Click OK. And I'm going to get an error here in a minute that says that I need to authenticate. So it found the server, but says we couldn't authenticate to the credentials provided. So we sign in as a different user. Takes us over to the SSO login where I choose my username and then enter my password and then click sign in. Now I click connect. And now I can see my schemas. I can go into the schemas to see the tables. So we'll go into SQL Server this time, go into Burst Bank, click on Account, and we can preview that data. We can see that there's all my data. So I'm going to cancel this. We're going to close out of Power BI and go in again and show you what it's like the second time you go in once you've been authenticated. So let's start up Power BI again. Click through the pop-up. Click on Get Data. Click More. Type star in the search box. Double click on Starburst Enterprise. Now this time, because I didn't save anything the first time, I do need to enter my host and port number again. But I don't have to enter my username or password. We'll just go straight in. Once I've saved my dashboard or chart, then I don't even have to enter that host name or anything again. Everything will just go right in. So let's do this again. This time we're going to go into SQL Server, account. We're going to load that account data. I'm going to make a simple line chart. And we're going to bring some data over, auto loan data, and then we're going to also bring over the auto loan open date so that we get an actual line. So we're summing the loan balances by open date, and so there's our line chart. So let's go ahead and save this as a PBIX file. We're going to throw it into documents. We're going to call it SSO Demo.pbix. Click Save. We're going to exit out of Power BI now that it's saved. And now when I go in, or when I open up my document, the PBIX file, double click on it. will start up Power BI and go straight on into the chart. Takes a few seconds to get the Power BI running, to get a connection, and then pull the data. All right, so there we go. We got what we're looking at, and there's our chart right there. And notice in no point in time did I have to enter a username or password. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.